How can we develop Tai Chi intelligence? First of all, we have to use our mind. Okay, why do we have to use our mind? Because we got a mind. The mind is there for you to utilize it so that you can see things the way they are, see things how to be done, and analyze it, visualize it, and conform to the mechanics of the movement. Now, it's a little bit stressful, okay, when you use a mind to do the Tai Chi. To do the movement, it's easy because you can just follow the teacher and you're done. Think about it, you're following somebody. You are following somebody. You're a follower. You're not leading your body. You need to be a leader for this great body. This body that was given to you is great. You have a mind. The animals don't have a mind. Okay? Use the mind and formulate how to move according to the mechanics of how Tai Chi should be moved. So when the teacher teaches you that movement, use your mind, not just follow. Okay? So your emotional intelligence is your mind. A lot of time we don't see things exactly how the teacher do, but you can still do the best you can to watch it, to mindfully involve with it, and mechanically move it through your body, which I call it artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the machine. Just like in computer term, all this machine do all this work because somebody programmed it and everything come out perfect. So to me, when you put the emotional intelligence and the artificial intelligence together in the body, you get this Tai Chi intelligence. You get this intellect of understanding things. You want to get that intellect. You don't want to just feel relaxed and reduce stress. You know, people say that stress is not a good thing, of course, we all know that. But stress, to me, it's not so bad because we have stress. Every day we have stress. The moment you get up in the morning, you have stress. Housewife have to take care of the kids, drop the kids off to school, fix the breakfast for the kids, fix the breakfast for the husband, think of what they need to do at home. They got so much stress, but they handle it. They handle it so well because they know how to do it. So when you're able to handle your stress, that means you got the intellect. That means you got the intelligence. That means you got the mindset. That means you got the discipline. That means you know how to do it. And you feel good. Stress is good when you can handle it and solve it. And when you solve it, new stress start coming in and you solve it. Continuing solving stress every day in life is a very common thing. But most people just give up and they say, oh, I'm just going to take a vacation. They say they're going to take a vacation. They're not going to do anything with their mind. They're going to take a vacation. And then they come back, vacation finished, stress come back again. Then they say, well, I'm just going to get a massage. I'm going to feel good. These are all great, don't get me wrong, but they need to solve the problem by using the intellect from here. So when we do our Tai Chi, why did I say you have to use your mind? When you use your mind involved with your movement, that means you are watching the movement. You are studying it carefully to make sure that everything's come out right. You are watching how the teacher moved to the left, how the teacher moved to the right. You are watching how the teacher put his foot out, how he bring it back slowly, carefully, like a cat, not abruptly. So you're watching it and you comprehend it, and then you're gonna do it. And when that happens, you show love to your body. You showing love. That's how you show love. You don't look at a kid thinking that you're gonna show love. You're gonna hug the kid. You're gonna smile. You're gonna say good things about him. That's how you show love. You gotta buy him things. So you gotta do something. You gotta discipline your mind to do something so that you become successful in what you're doing. Showing love. So in Tai Chi, how do we show love? We show love by watching our feet, by looking from left to right, by understanding upper and lower, by understanding the flow, and actually using the mind to direct the movement of the entire sequence of the exercise. Then only you will get the quality of that exercise. You will get the best energy from the exercise. Now, you say that body mechanics. What do you mean by that? Okay, there's certain rules in Tai Chi. Like, you gotta keep your body straight. Like last week, I taught the first move called the beginning of Tai Chi. Translated, Wu Ji Si. Wu Ji Si means standing in doing nothing, getting ready to do something. So I just call it beginning of Tai Chi. It's easy. So we do the movement. You are watching every step of it and mindfully involved with it. So and actually understanding mechanically how it's being done. Okay, using some of the scientific theory like Einstein theory, like Isaac Newton, action reaction, that kind of stuff. That's a little bit detailed over there. So you watch yourself with your mind, of course, understand it and execute it. So in Tai Chi, in our movement, we have to understand what is left and what is right. How we match the left and right. How do we match the lower body and the upper body? How do we match from the inner feeling to the outer manifestation through the hands? So when you do that, you are generating a chi, which I call it energy for now. Make it simple. You create this chi, you create this energy, this chi, to feel the entire body, the serenity and the power. And if you are able to distinguish from left and right, upper and lower, inner and outer, and a lot more, just these three little concepts, left and right, upper and lower, inner and outer manifestation. And of course there's 13 body methods, that kind of stuff. That's a little bit more detail. If you can do these three things very well, you start embracing your body into this zone. I call it the yin and yang balance Tai Chi zone. And this is the absolute power that you can generate inside you. So it's as simple as that.